Thanks. Good advice on that. Well, for days, crews have been working to get your neighborhoods ready for the blizzard.
That's right. Joining us this morning on the phone from the Johnson County Emergency Management Department is Adam Crow. Adam, good morning.
Good morning.
How should we get our neighborhoods ready for what's going to be, and Gary is calling it the biggest snowstorm he's ever seen?
Well, I think it's really the same stuff we always, try to encourage people to, try to keep their cars off the road if at all possible. Be considerate if they have to go out and shovel their driveway to stay warm, and consider their health conditions before they do that, and really just stay tuned to primary sources like yours to make sure they know what the latest is about the event.
Adam, so much of what we've been talking about this morning has dealt with the preparations. Many of these road crews have been laying down preparation treatments. Do you think that'll stand the test when it comes to the conditions we're expecting later on today?
I think we have to look at it in the sense of doing our best while we can. Certainly, we defer to our public works experts, on how to treat the road, and we look at law enforcement and emergency response on how they can get out, and they've dealt with it. And again, the way they respond is the same, even if the conditions are a little deeper or a little stronger. And we just have to stick to what we know and hope the best works out in the end.
I tell you, the wish is obviously that every snowplow could hit every street, every interstate, but that's of course not feasible. This is the time for the neighbors to assist one another and helping each other get out of their driveways. Isn't that right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I know some of our cities in Johnson County, and I think some throughout the metro, offer some of those programs sort of in a concerted effort, but there certainly is just neighbor-to-neighbor support, which is always a good idea if possible.
Adam, whenever a storm like this is approaching, there is an emergency plan in place on your level. Talk about the preparation in putting that plan in place, number one, but actually implementing it.
Well, a lot of that does go into effect. Fortunately, we get good forecasts from the National Weather Service and some of our weather partners that give us, some idea a couple of days in advance of what we're expecting, and we can start to consider who needs to be activated, looking at what resources they may need before the event actually gets here, which is always best to put those things in place before the event than trying to do it in the middle of it.
Alrighty, Adam Crow, thanks so much for all that you're doing, all your crews are doing with the Johnson County Emergency Management team. Have a great morning.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty, well, this morning we are also hearing from